Hello and welcome to this new video on how to disable OneDrive backup. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to look on the bottom right hand side of the taskbar. There will be an cloud icon, and when you hover around it, it will say OneDrive. So you just have to click on that cloud icon and a pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. You just have to look on the top right hand side of the pop-up box. There will be a setting button. Just click on that setting button and another pop-up box will appear, and its first option says settings, so you just have to click on that setting option. And when you're inside the settings section, you just have to click on that sync and backup tab and access the sync and backup section. And when you're inside sync and backup, you just have to click on that manage backup button. Just click on it and manage backup section will be appeared right in front of you, and there will be 5 different topics. They are document, pictures, desktop, music and videos. So you just have to disable or turn off all the buttons of all those 5 topics, and when you have done that, you will be able to disable OneDrive backup. So this is how you can easily disable OneDrive backup. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.